Hi guys, hello, welcome back. So in today's video we will be talking about chemical exfoliants, and I will also be reviewing this product right here. This is from Minimalist. It's their AHA 25%, PHA 5% and BHA 2%. So if you want to know, then please keep on watching. So a question might come to your mind, I know, and the question will be, why a chemical exfoliant? Recently a lot of us have been moving towards chemical exfoliants and ditching those physical exfoliants. So the main reason is that physical exfoliants can be a little more harsh on your skin and can create micro tears on your skin which cannot be seen through our naked eyes. So you're actually doing more harm than good. While on the other hand, chemical exfoliants can penetrate deeper into your skin and are much gentle on your skin. Now I know for some reason just listening the word chemical gives people kind of a scare, but to be honest, see, this is basic science, okay? Everything is made up of chemicals. Water is a chemical, the food that we eat is a chemical. So I don't think that you should be scared by the word chemical. Now let me talk about this product a little bit, okay? So basically this is like a chemical exfoliating mask. You can use it once every weekend and you should use it in your PM skincare routine. You can apply a thick layer of it all over your face, but before you apply it, you have to make sure that your skin is completely dry. Do not apply it over damp skin. Now I am somebody who loves applying all skincare products on damp skin because that helps the product to penetrate a little better and get absorbed really quickly in my skin. But for a chemical exfoliant to show its magic, your skin has to be dry. If you are not in your 20s and you're just a teenager, you don't need this product, okay? I know for some reason a lot of people have been asking me if this product is safe to use for teenagers, so I really wouldn't recommend it because I don't think you need it as much. If you're in your 20s, then yeah, maybe you can go for, you know, this high concentration. But if you're just starting out, please look for something that has a lesser concentration of these chemicals. Now for example, you can start with the PHA toner. That is exactly what I did. I started using chemical exfoliants in my toner and gradually built my way up to this product right here. So yeah, please just, if you're new to chemical exfoliants, don't just buy this product and feel like, wow, this is going to work great for me, because no, your skin might not be able to handle this concentration, okay? So the brand claims that AHAs and BHAs are great for removing the upper dead layer of the skin. So that is exactly why you end up having really glowy skin. Now it is also known that AHAs and BHAs can really help you out in the longer run to, you know, remove your, the surface layer wrinkles. Now I cannot speak about that because I don't think I'm the right person to talk about wrinkles. I'm in my early 20s and yeah, I'm not the right person to do that. But it also says that AHAs are great with congestion on your skin, and yes, I can totally vouch for that because I can clearly see the texture on my skin has changed a lot. AHAs are also great for reducing the appearance of your pores, and yeah, to a certain extent it did help with that. But I don't know, for some reason the PHA toner from Minimalist as well, it worked wonders for me when it comes to, you know, blackheads and pores and all of those things. So yeah, if you just want to target that, go for the toner. Now it is also known that chemical exfoliants are great for reducing acne marks, and it also kind of prevents acne. Now I can again vouch for that. I have been using this product for over 10 weeks now, and I usually break out during that time of the month. But while I was using this exfoliating mask once a week, I noticed a big difference. Like, I did not break out as much during that time of the month. I usually had like 3 or 4 pimples every month, but this time I had none. So yeah, I was really surprised by it, and at first I couldn't pinpoint on how and why this is happening because it has always been like that, okay? So I was really shocked, like in a happy way, that this product also works on preventing acne. So yeah, that is another great thing about this product. On the Minimalist website, it says that BHA is great for giving your skin that matte look. I really did not see like a matte finish on my face. Like, I'm really confused on how to explain this, but no, I did not feel like my face was matte. And in fact, after I used to use this exfoliating mask, I felt really glowy and I feel like I had that glass skin effect. So yeah, that is one of the claims on the website. This product is fragrance, silicone, paraben and oil free. I cannot do this. Wait, I'll start with these fingers. Okay, so this product is fragrance, paraben, sulfate and oil free. Okay, so if you are somebody who is, you know, looking for these things in a product, you can check this out. Now let us talk about how to use this product in depth. Okay, so you have to use this product once a week, and to see a difference you have to use it for at least 8 to 10 weeks. That is written on their own website itself. Okay, so I know that 8 to 10 weeks is a very long time, but as per the website it is written that now this product is sold over the counter. Okay, so it is not as potent as some chemical treatments that you may get done in salons, so it does not have that high concentration for it to show a difference in just 2 to 3 uses. So yes, you have to be consistent while using this product. Secondly, you definitely have to patch test before you start using this product. Okay, now please don't play games while using this product. Don't use this like really close to your eye and on places that you feel that your face is sensitive. Don't use this if you have active acne or if you have a scar somewhere on your face, because this will burn the shit out of you. Okay, I am not kidding, it will burn you. Okay, and make sure that you use it, like it is said on the packaging that you can increase the usage up to 2 weeks. I mean 2 weeks, 2 times per week, but I still use it only once per week, and I feel that's totally fine for me. I don't feel the need to use it 2 times. So yeah, I've been using this only once per week and it has worked wonders. Now I'll tell you why I know that this product works so great for me. Okay, so I used it for 10 weeks and I stopped using it just after the 10th week, and oh my god, like I saw such a big difference in my skin. Like I started getting like 2 or 3 pimples here and there, and I don't know, for some reason I felt like something was off with my skin, because you know I was feeling really great and confident in my skin from the last 10 weeks. So I was really confused as to what was happening, and the only thing that I changed was I stopped using this one. So yeah, I will continue to use this product because I really love it and I have seen a very big difference on my skin. Now, I also want to mention that after you use this product, you have to hydrate your face really well. Okay, so if you have like a nighttime skincare routine, which I know most of us do, right? So yeah, if you have like a nighttime skincare routine, please make sure that you don't add on any other exfoliating products or any other chemical exfoliants or harsh products. Just make sure you hydrate your face really well after you're using this serum, and don't go in like overboard with your nighttime skincare routine after using this product. I personally just apply this, wash my face, and go in with like a really hydrating moisturizer. Now the moisturizer that I use on that day particularly has no fragrance and no irritants. It's great for sensitive skin, and your skin needs that love, you know, after you have used this product. Now don't leave this on for more than 10 minutes, okay, or else I don't know what will happen. I've never tried that and I don't even want to experiment with this product. I know a lot of times when you're using mask and they say leave it for 10 to 15 minutes, you can leave it for 20 minutes or more and you won't see like, you know, कुछ ऐसा side effects हो गया. But with this, please don't play any games, okay? Don't. And I would also like to say that do whatever is said on the packaging or on their website, because they have developed this product, they know how it works the best, and with a chemical exfoliant, you really don't want to take your chances. I also want to add that if you have active or cystic acne, please make sure that you consult your dermatologist before you use this product, okay? Let us quickly talk about the pros and cons of this product and we will end this video, okay? So the pros of the product. I really love the packaging of this product. It's minimal and to the point, just like the brand. Secondly, it is very affordable. It is difficult to find chemical exfoliants, and especially at this price, okay? So this product is for $6.99 and you can get it on discount for 5 or 10% off on Nykaa or on their own website itself. Third, it is very accessible. It was initially available only on their website. That's when I got this, but soon after it has launched on Nykaa. So yeah, it's really easy to catch hold of this product. Fourth, the website is really informative and you can read a lot. If you are a skincare nerd like me, you will love reading all the information on their website and learning a bit more about the product and about, you know, what chemical exfoliants are. Fifth, they are really transparent about their ingredient list and also from where they source their ingredients. Only con of this product that I feel is you have to be consistent with it, okay? This is not a quick fix and you will have to keep on using this for at least 8 to 10 weeks to see like an actual difference. That's what it says on the website. For me personally, I feel even after using it for 4 to 5 weeks, I could start seeing little changes on my face. So yeah, that is the only con with it, that you have to be consistent. But that's not really a con as well, because you have to be consistent with kind of all your skincare products. That's for all skincare products, I guess. Nothing will work wonders just in one go, right? Oh my god, just look at the before and after. I saw the difference while editing the video, and this product is really good. So with that, we have come to the end of this video. If you are going to give this product a go, I would really suggest you to watch multiple videos about chemical exfoliation, or at least read whatever material is there on their website or on the packaging of this product, and only then start using this product. Okay, don't just go and buy this product and start using it without having all this information. Okay, so yeah, with that, we have come to the end of this video. If you enjoyed watching or found this video helpful, then please give this video a thumbs up. Also consider subscribing before you leave, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.